Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So class 7, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is light. So we all know that light is very essential for our living. We can see things around us because of the light. We need light to play, read, and almost for everything we need light except when we are sleeping. While sleeping we don't need light, but each and everything we need light. And the things which are not visible in the dark room visible because of light stimulates the eye. मतलब light जो है it affects the light in such a way that eye get the sensation of the light, and light is a form of energy. Now second thing, we will going to study that light travels in a straight line. So what we say that linear propagation means that it travels in a straight lines. When we say that light travel in a straight line, it is that light is showing a rectilinear propagation. Now you can see the sun rays, that sun rays जो होती they always come in a straight line. Like if it is a sun, it will come in a straight line in a same direction. So whenever light is traveling, it will always travel in a straight line, and if something is coming in between, it will strike back and change its direction to travel in a straight line. Now you can see that there is sun, this is sun, and sun rays are coming in the window, but you can see the lights are coming everyone, but it is traveling in a straight line only. Now you can see observation, in the activity you can see कि a cardboard is there and 3 holes are made and a candle is burned there, and the light is traveling in the straight line. In the same way, reflection of light, whenever we have seen mirrors in the homes, in the shops and cars. So when you were handling a mirror in our hands and sunlight pass on it, you can see the sunlight will strike and come back. कभी कभी हम लोग जब बचपन में भी घर पे भी कहते हैं ना, दैट मिरर गेम, दैट वी यूज टू होल्ड अ मिरर and we used to make it shine in the light and it comes and strike at our eyes. Light reflects back whenever it strike at something, it strike and come back, वो वापस reflect होके वापस चली जाती है. And in here it is in opaque surface in metal foil, a part of light is reflected and rest जो है बाकी सब absorb हो जाती है. In transparent it is partially reflected, and smooth and shining surfaces it is having more or greater reflection of light. Now if light is traveling in one medium, it is sent back. Now if light is traveling in a medium, it is sent back from the first medium after the striking on a second medium, and this is said to be the phenomena is said to be reflection of light. The striking of the light and coming back is known as the reflection of light. You can see this, the sun rays is coming to the ground, and again it is reflected back in the sky only. In the same way, we will learn about image. A view of well illuminated object in a mirror or through a lens is called an image. When that anything we can see or when anything is formed in the mirror is known as the image. And there are two types of the image. First one is the real image and second one is the virtual ear. In this, when the light is emitted, at one point of reflection, the real image is formed and it is always inverted. मतलब वो उल्टी होगी, और it can be of the same size or bigger or smaller in the object, and वो जो है एक particular screen पे obtain कर सकते हैं. But in the virtual image, they do not meet at a point. The light does not meet at a point after the reflection and it appears. वो ऐसा appear तो होती है कि like they are meeting, but वो appear नहीं होती है. अगर यहाँ पे see this is a line, light is traveling, and यहाँ पे if we can see that it is appearing but it is not meeting. In the same way, it is not inverted, it is erect, and it can be of same size, big or smaller, and we cannot obtain a virtual image on any screen. Now we will talk about the sea. this is a real image, it is inverted. And see virtual image, it is not inverted, it is erect, वो बिल्कुल सीधी होती है. So the mirror we are seeing, that is virtual, and the car's mirror is always, and the mirror that is in the lenses are real. Now image formed by a plane mirror, a perfectly flat polished surface capable of reflecting regularly is known as plane mirror. जो फ्लैट मिरर जो होता है, जो बिल्कुल पॉलिश्ड होता है, जिसमें से हमेशा हर वक्त लाइट कैन रिफ्लेक्ट हो सकती है, दैट इज़ नोन एज द प्लेन mirror. And an ordinary image that we are using in our homes, in the car, that is the plane image, plane mirror. Now right or left lateral inversion. Lateral inversion क्या होता है? That the interchange of right and left sides of an object and its image in a plane mirror. Like sometimes we can see that we are standing in the right side, but we can see our image in the left side in the mirror. जब हम लोग right side पे खड़े होते हैं, but our image is formed on the left side, or it appears to be in the right side when we are seeing in the mirror from the left side. This whole phenomena is known as, इस पूरे फिनोमेना को वी विल से दैट दिस इज लेटरल इन्वर्जन, दैट द अपीयरेंस ऑफ द इमेज फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट साइड इज नोन एज द लेटरल. नाउ यू हैव सीन द वर्ड एम्बुलेंस, it is written laterally inverted as ambulance on an ambulance van, but whenever we see we can read at ambulance. जब एम्बुलेंस को अंदर से हम लोग देखेंगे इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इन्वर्टेड, बट whenever if we see from the front, जब हम लोग फ्रंट से देखेंगे दैट इज़ इन द इरेक्ट फॉर्म. जब भी एक जो एम्बुलेंस वर्ड को कभी कभी हम लोग जो नॉर्मली हम लोग करते हैं, हम लोग कोई पेपर पे हम लोग एनीथिंग वी हैव रिटन एंड वी सी इट इन द मिरर, इट ऑलवेज कम इन्वर्टेड, वो हमेशा इन्वर्टेड ही आएगा. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द यूजेस ऑफ प्लेन मिरर? एज अ लुकिंग ग्लास एंड इन द शोरूम, बार्बर सलून्स, और टू प्रोड्यूस ऑप्टिकल इल्यूजन ऑन अ स्टेज. मतलब कभी कभी होता नहीं है कि कोई व्यू हम लोग को क्रिएट करना रहता है ऑन अ स्टेज. एंड इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट लाइक periscope and kaleidoscope. Now see lateral inversion. The word K is coming on the opposite side. The right hand side is real में जो है right hand side यहाँ पे है, but in the image we will see on the left hand side. यहाँ पे cat, यहाँ पे देखो ये लिखा है, but it comes opposite from right to left direction. C is in the right, but in the image it will come on left side. So this is and for the today's topic. We will continue the next topic in the next video.